What's going on, y'all? Sky Miles, you know, driven by brothers. And I hope everyone's Christmas was well. I know my Christmas was pretty well. I didn't do too much, you know, with all the corona and shit going on. So I pretty much just spent a lot of time with family. But anyways, today I gotta go to the mall to take some things back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get a car wash. And I was supposed to meet up with Mark. But let me give y'all some insight on the M4, because we did do a few things. I got the rims painted gloss black. The car is kind of dirty right now. And then I got these painted as well. And then I went ahead and painted the front grills. So, you know, with all the black and then with the blue, it gives the car more of an aggressive look, which I really, really like. Everything was chrome. So like this was chrome, and then the centerpieces was black. And then this top was chrome, and then the rest of the rims were black. So all the tops were like chrome and shit like that. And I didn't really, you know, like it. It wasn't really aggressive to me. And also, this was chrome. But I also got starlights added to the M4. So let me show y'all that too. This shit is actually pretty freaking cool. Yeah. Y'all see that? That's hard. And I didn't pay that much to get them done, actually. I actually got them for a pretty good deal. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get ready. Let's go ahead and get a cold start on the M4. It's not too loud to stop. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to get ready. We're about to head out. Swipe.
Shoot at his teeth, he a biter. I'm a lover, no fighter. And on my job, a new hire. Fuck with the game, consequences dire. Bar plain Jane, but the shit is fire. I was a lover, no fighter. But love getting old and I'm tired. I'm blazing the trail like I'm dead.
That damn football on. Still right here in the back.
That's clean. Get on pulling up. I'm gonna throw this away.
What's up?
He got the starlights too. Okay. He got the starlights too. All right, I'm about to go grab a quick 20.
What's up, man? How you been? Good. I know.
I like the hat, player.
I appreciate you, player.
I took.
Same shit on that sweater.
I told them you were pulling up. Hold on, before we go over there, we gotta show them the starlights, because I showed them the starlights on the M4. But little do they know, we actually got the starlights done on the Challenger as well. Are they on?
No, they're not on. They're on now. See if we cut these things on.
Y'all can see them. Yeah. And a Widebody Challenger.
How'd the exhaust sound?
It was loud. It was sounding pretty good. There. You had it in M mode or
Track mode. M mode. I don't have BMW.
okay? I'm about to go grab a quick 20 from the bank. I saw him at the gas station, so I can leave a tip for them. All right, because I don't gotta pay. You got any money too, or?
No, I got some money.
Oh, you got cash? Oh, big money, big spender. Got the Louis V wallet. Okay, sir.
I got 10. I got like 15. And then I got 100.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to go across the street and grab some cash right quick. But yeah, we're gonna catch y'all in a little bit, man. Man, that thing look clean. Those the gloss black wheels. That thing look clean. That thing, oh man. Hey, we gotta get this dirt. That's dirt. Hey, y'all gotta clean this. Hold on. Dirt. You got a rag or a napkin? Yeah, I gotta make sure my shit clean, man. Come on now. Trying to have me rolling half clean, boy. I gotta be super duper clean, man. What's wrong with these niggas, man? I got a scratch on my rim, it look like. Thank you, Migo. Yeah, that thing's super duper. I know when y'all saw me this morning, it wasn't this clean. It's clean now. Look at that bulge. Man, I love that bulge. He's about to deep clean my seats. My leather needs to be deep clean. He's about to take care of it for me. Let's see what's going on with Mark's Widebody SCATPACK. What you say?
Spraying the holes, the dirt was in the holes.
You said spraying the hole?
The holes, dirt, debris goes in the holes. We're spraying it, Yeah.
Shoot it up. Yeah, shoot it up. Fuck up his engine. Fuck it up. Fuck his engine up. They gotta get that pressure washer for the wide body. They ain't too dirty.
My last car, when they used the damn pressure washer, the damn paint would chip off. That's how you know how it came up.
Oh, they did. What car was that?
That Mercury Milan.
The Mercury Milan was doing that?
Yeah, the paint would chip off.
Nah, that's hard. That's nice, G. That's nice. That's hard as fuck. Oh, you got a little exhaust.
Sounds to it.
Yeah.
That boy's steaming.
Well, oh yeah. I mean, you got them put. Is it okay to put water in those holes for the intake is? Yeah, man. We just, you know, in Georgia, getting some washes. There's not much to do today, man. Today's Sunday, and I'm just ready to get back to the grind. You know, we got New Year's on Wednesday. You know, Happy New Year's, but I'm just ready to work, man. This COVID is messing up a lot of things, a lot of stuff. So I'm just ready for. I love the holidays. Don't get me wrong, I love the holidays, but I'm ready to go ahead and get the holidays over with so that I can grind and I can work, because you know, this M4 is not free. This M4 costs money to own, and this car is not paid off at all. I put a decent amount of money down when I got it, but it's not paid off. Okay, that car, hit it, tell him to hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay, that's good, that's good. Show you what this thing could do. Yeah, loud. That thing loud. Yeah. Woo, that boy out. You saw him go around that Cadillac? Deep cleaning the seats. Gotta get all the stains out of my seats. The stains coming out? The stains come out?
You talking about the white ones, right?
Yeah, or whatever. It's looking a lot better.
Some of them, but not all of them, bro.
And then my this part right here.
Yeah, the center. I'll
Yeah.
probably get that out too, bro.
Appreciate it, big dog.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yep. Yep. And you gotta take care of your people, man. Feel me? What's this? We gotta wipe that off. Huh, your car off? Burn a lot of gas, huh? With that straight pipe. I'm gonna turn my car off too. I gotta get my rims clean a little bit better than this, y'all. Look at that front. Oh my gosh. I just love it. There's something about, so I'll put it to you like this. I like the M4s, right? But I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. If they did not make this blue, I probably would, well, I don't know, because they have the Austin yellow, but let's talk about this blue. If they didn't make the blue, the Yasmarina blue, I probably would have never got an M4. Like, this color makes this car look totally different. It looks totally different with this color. And then with the black rims that I got painted, and that's black, and then that's black, and then I got the red interior with the extended maroon, the leather on the dash, and then I got the starlights. Yeah, that thing looking right. Anyways, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when we ride out. Swipe. This purple wide body though with a black top. Oh my goodness. This is hard right here. Mark, this is exactly what you want. You want the black top too?
No, I don't care about that, but
You just want this color?
Yeah, I just want the color.
What about the interior?
I really want the tan.
Oh, the Alcantara steering wheel too? Oh
I
man.
really want the tan.
Damn, that bitch is hard. That purple.
You see what I was talking about the cinnamon stick?
Where?
That one.
What about it?
The color?
Show
Isn't
me.
it pretty nice?
Damn. Let me fit through this color.
The cinnamon stick.
It's nice. I don't know if this would be the first color I would choose though. But it's nice.
Oh, look at yours.
Where's the Lambo truck? Oh shit, with the green brake calipers, so it gotta have green stitching in there as well. Look at yours, y'all. It's got the green brake calipers on it.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. Look at this. This is clean. You got green stitching. Y'all probably can't see it, but the stitching is green. It's black interior with green stitching. I think this is actually my first time close to a Lambo truck. I seen them on the road, but I don't think I physically touched one before. But no, this is clean. And they got this bitch locked the fuck up, man.
I'm staying home all month, nigga, and I'm grinding.
Oh, yeah,
That's the bitch I want.
That one right there?
That's the one I'm staying home all month.
This is hard.
Oh, this is a 21. This is a 2021.
It is?
Yeah, because it got the shaker hood.
So the guy that you met at that car shop, he had a 2021?
No, he had a limited edition. Now you can get these in 2021. Okay.
Oh, so you get on regular in 2021?
Yes.
You like the shaker?
This kind of add a little something with the wide body, but it's kind of hard.
Do y'all like the shaker, man? Comment below if y'all like the shaker on the Challengers.
This one's the same price as mine.
How much is it?
55. It just doesn't have a sunroof.
Would you rather the shaker or the sunroof?
Sunroof.
Sunroof. The Hellcat doesn't have a sunroof either, the orange one.
But the thing is, I like this. I like it without the sunroof because The only thing I like about the sunroof is that you get more headroom.
Hey, I don't think none of the Scat Packs have a sunroof. 55,000. Just so y'all know, because I know y'all probably gonna get something soon, because it's already on the way for y'all as well. You know, for us and for y'all. But it's 55, man. If you want a Scat Pack, it's 55. I ain't gonna tell you which dealership we're at because, you know what I'm saying, we're not getting paid by them, so this shit don't matter. What?
It also does not have the adaptive cruise control like mine does.
Oh, see, I gotta have the adaptive cruise control.
Mine's got the adaptive cruise control.
Even though I would really use it, like I feel like if I'm
I
spending
rarely
50,
use it, but it's nice to have.
But if I'm spending 50 grand on a whip, it gotta at least come with an adaptive cruise control.
None of the Challengers got sunroofs.
That's why I said none of the Scat Packs.
No, they got only one Challenger with a sunroof.
And what is that, a Hellcat, I bet?
It's a REDEYE.
Yeah, see? All their...
But that's the only, they got...
This one don't got no sunroof though. This
Yeah,
blue
that's
one. I'm fine with this one. This is the color that I want.
But you get more headroom without the sunroof.
But I'm never even touching the roof like that with your sunroof. This is fire too. This is Frostbite.
This bitch right here. This is the bitch over this bitch. This is
That
the
purple
I'm going
one?
for next. That's the bitch I'm going for next. This exact the color. I don't care about this.
That purple one's hard.
This is okay. I mean, if it has it, it has it. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
With a sunroof?
Yeah.
Oh, you would get one without a sunroof?
No, I want to. No, I'm talking about the black stuff.
I don't care. Is this a paint or is this wrapped?
I don't know. I don't really care too much for it. But it looks good with the purple, but I don't really care too much for it.
It looks good. This thing boogity. It's booking.
This boy will be out. Yeah, this is
purple
it.
one is
This
hard.
I'm shocked this bitch is still here. What would you do? Smoke show or this?
I probably had to pull it with that purple.
This one.
You know, I'm a
the
color
hardest
type
one.
of guy.
But I want the tan interior.
That peanut butter
Yeah.
with that
I
purple.
feel like you would
Yeah.
have to do the tan interior or the red.
I would do that red.
I'd rather do the tan interior though with the purple.
It'll pop more with that tan, but that red, the color combination looks kind of off with red, but for some reason I would just do red still.
Sweet.
Yeah. See, I don't like that narrow body. That shit looks too plain to me.
I mean, if it's a Hellcat though, I'll still whip.
if they say you go ahead and get this Hellcat right now, just give us a Scat Pack. You would get the narrow body right now?
Probably. You like this? You like this?
What?
How they put that?
Huh? Oh, it doesn't have the Hellcat. Was this a Hellcat spoiler?
This.
Oh, is that new?
No, he put that there.
That's hard. I would do that. That's hard. And you can't put Scat Pack on there because it'll be too long.
Damn, this is 21.
This damn Daytona is 46 and it's a 2017. I'm sorry, but y'all are tripping on this Daytona. This bitch is 46. This is 2017. I don't know if I'm gonna pay this much for that. It's a nice color though. This is actually my favorite color. Ain't clean, but that purple though.
It's just nasty, bro. When I saw the one that looked like that was running away from the cops, that shit was crazy. But he had the rims I want. Those aren't the rims I want.
You know what I would do different to the wheels? I would get them gloss black.
No, I want those rims.
Oh, those?
They look like those, but they're deep dish.
Like Omi's.
Yeah.
On his Daytona.
Yeah, but they're black.
Yeah, that shit hard.
That Jeep is hard too.
Oh yeah, and they got the top that I was talking about.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, I like these Rubicons.
Yeah, that's sweet. Damn, that bitch look crazy when it's clean. I like the gray wheels when it's all clean.
Oh, yeah, my shit too.
Yeah.